Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add slice effect to your design with Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. And here, in order to start, you can click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find slice. Go off filter with slice effects. Slice effects make your image looks like it's been cut out and scrambled. So here you can click use in existing design or use in new design if you don't have uh, create your project yet. So this is for example, I will use with in existing design. So here, this is known, but this is cheap. So slice, mince, or third. So this is the slice one. So you can adjust the offset, then count, position, and after you're done with this offset, count, and position, you can save your design. Click this save button. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe below. See you in the next video.